Netflix announces basic with ads plan. It's real. The ads on Netflix is real. Well,
oh boy.
Netflix today announced the upcoming launch of the ad-supported tier that has been in the works for the last several months. The new basic with ads plan is priced at $6.99 per month in the United States, which is $3 cheaper than the basic plan. I don't know about this, Will. $3? $3, but ads? Well, I don't know what's going on here. If I'm getting ads, I don't even think I want to be paying. Like, I don't like this. I don't know how this works. I'll pay a premium to not have the ads. Like I pay for YouTube Premium.
Mm-hmm.
No problem. But I feel this is a weird in between, basic with ads.
Yeah.
And I'm getting a $3 discount, but it's still costing me $7. It's an odd place to find myself.
You're a bit confused?
Basic with ads will be available alongside the basic, standard, and premium plans, offering 720p streaming video. Netflix is also updating the standard basic plan with 720p support when the basic with ads plan launches. Netflix's new plan will offer most of the same TV shows, movies, and personalized viewing experience, but subscribers will see between 4 and 5 minutes of ads per hour. Ads will vary from 15 to 30 seconds in length and will play before and during shows and films. Well, what? What? Yeah. Dude, this is a weird one. Like, put more ads then. Put as many ads as you need.
So it's free.
And do it for free and just say this is Netflix with ads. And then I know that this is against their identity, which is premium. Like, you pay for our shows because we spend so much to make them. But this is one of those areas where I think you got to start with the viewer, from the viewer perspective. And everywhere else that you have a freemium model on whether it's gaming or YouTube or whatever, it's like you can play it for free. You can watch it for free. It just gets a lot better with paid. I guess the difficulty for them is everyone is paid right now. So they're kind of working in reverse.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe it's just the amount of money. Maybe it should be $3.99 with ads, not $6.99. And show me a few more ads because the gap is not enough. $6.99 and $9.99? And $9.99, I don't ever have to see an ad. And I just watch at my own pace and I have access to all of Netflix. Netflix Basic with ads is set to launch Thursday, November 3rd. It'll be available in Australia, Brazil, Canada, France, Germany, Italy, Japan, Korea, Mexico, Spain, the UK, and the US.
And what kind of ads? What are you thinking?
Well, it'll be like YouTube pre-roll, sort of, whatever you're seeing there. I'm sure it'll have your same algorithmic, who are you, what's your age, type of stuff, 15 to 30 seconds each, and it'll be 4 to 5 minutes per hour. Well, it's better than TV, but...
man, that is so...
It's a weird crossover. I think it's just the gap that's bugging me.
And also the content. What if you're watching like a really scary movie and you're in the mood?
I know.
And then all of a sudden it's just like a
and then
ad
it's going to say,
bounty.
But it's going to remind you all the time, pay $3 more a month and never have this happen again, right? It'll be reminding you. It's just the amount. It's not enough savings, $3 a month. I think you got to go down to $3.99 with ads, even if it's more ads, and then there's enough of a gap where people would say, you know what, I don't care about ads. But at $6.99 compared to $9.99, I'm just saying I'm more in the area of $10 or quit at that point. It's not a big enough movement for me to hang around and say, this is what I'm willing to pay. But anyway, I guess everybody's going to be different on this. I'm curious to see what people themselves say. So let me know in the comments what you think the ad version of Netflix should cost compared to the ad-free version. Let me know.